started trying this.
Yeah, see, this is not happening and this is happening so nicely.
Probably, I think I should call Punit. He can help us understand this. Let's call him.
Sure.
Hello Hiya.
Hello.
Welcome here. So we help customers win now and also in future. Now we are a growing company and we are growing by being a productivity partner to our customers. And I'm very happy to tell you, 2007, Mark Blaser came out with an idea to start Technology Center. There are experts in machining technologies, tooling technologies, application engineering, and very creative people. They constantly try to look at correlation between coolants and machining performance and productivity. And with the creativity, they try to create a setup in which customers can feel and understand the impact what we are trying to say in a simple way. And this setup is actually a result from there.
Oh wow.
It's a very interesting setup where we are able to significantly reduce the torque, the machining forces by changing the coolant.
Okay.
And if you look at this, it's almost, you need to apply a lot of force. It's about 16 Newton meters.
Oh.
And this one was a much easier 7.5 Newton meter, which you could try
True.
only with the help of a coolant and know-how. So dear customers, if you want to know actually a bit more into the details and try it out yourself, please visit us in IMTEX exhibition. Me and my colleagues are very happy to welcome you and talk in detail. Thank you very much.